The PACT Act may be the most significant law benefiting veterans in a generation. Among other provisions, this law expands VA health care and benefits for veterans exposed to burn pits and other toxic substances. During the post-9/11 era, 3.5 million American servicemen and women were deployed in Iraq and Afghanistan. Many of the U.S. military bases in these countries were huge, sprawling complexes. What these bases had in common was that they generated a lot of garbage, including tires, batteries, and medical waste that had to be disposed of in some way. The solution from the military command and civilian contractors was to dump all of this waste into a vast open air pits, some as large as 20 acres, douse it with jet fuel, and light it on fire. These fires created clouds of smoke and foul odors that continually hung over the tents, trailers, and buildings where our soldiers worked, ate, and slept. These appalling conditions were made worse by desert heat. Thousands of troops came home with respiratory illnesses caused by the burn pits. For some, the impact on their health was moderate, but many complained about coughing up black gunk. Others suffered from severe lung diseases and cancers. Finally, with the PACT Act, the federal government is increasing VA healthcare eligibility to veterans exposed to burn pits. The Act adds an additional 23 toxic exposure-related conditions, including asthma and a number of cancers, to the VA's list of presumptive conditions. This means that if you're a veteran who served during the Gulf War and have been diagnosed with one or more of the listed medical conditions, you don't need the usual amount of evidence to file a disability claim and can more easily secure VA disability compensation. If you are a veteran who served in the Gulf War and are dealing with a serious medical issue, I suggest that you visit our website, cuddiganlaw.com, for a complete list of the conditions related to burn pit exposures to see if your illness is on the presumptive condition list. Then I encourage you to call or email our office for a free evaluation of your case. It is also important for you to know that if your previous application for VA disability benefits was denied, the expansion of benefits under the PACT Act may mean you're now eligible. So get in touch with us. At Cuddigan Law, you have a team of professionals in your corner who know the system and who will fight for your rights.